Cauliflower, a cruciferous gem, transcends its role in culinary creations to emerge as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a diverse array of health benefits. Bursting with vitamin C, K, and B-complex vitamins, along with minerals like potassium, cauliflower stands tall as a nutrient-rich ally in supporting overall well-being. Its antioxidant-rich profile, featuring compounds such as sulforaphane, not only combats oxidative stress but also holds promise in cancer prevention. With heart-healthy attributes stemming from fiber, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds, cauliflower contributes to cardiovascular well-being. This cruciferous vegetable's fiber content fosters digestive health and weight management, while its potential impact on blood sugar control aids individuals managing diabetes. Here are 13 reasons why incorporating cauliflower into your diet can contribute to overall well-being. Nutrient-rich, cauliflower is a nutrient powerhouse, providing vitamin C, K, and B-complex vitamins, as well as minerals like potassium and manganese. Antioxidant properties. Loaded with antioxidants, including glucosinolates and carotenoids, cauliflower helps combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds in cauliflower contribute to heart health by supporting healthy blood pressure levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Cancer prevention. Compounds in cauliflower, such as sulforaphane, have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including breast and colon cancer. Weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, cauliflower is a satisfying and nutritious option for those aiming to manage their weight. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that cauliflower may contribute to better blood sugar control, making it beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Bone health. Cauliflower's vitamin K content supports bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Immune system support. The vitamin C in cauliflower boosts the immune system, helping the body resist infections and illnesses. Vision support. Cauliflower contains antioxidants like beta-carotene and selenium, contributing to eye health. Detoxification. Cauliflower contains compounds that support the body's natural detoxification processes, aiding in the elimination of toxins. Rich in choline. Cauliflower is a good source of choline, a nutrient important for brain health and development. Skin health. Antioxidants in cauliflower, including vitamin C and manganese, contribute to healthy skin by protecting against oxidative stress. Improved cognitive function. The presence of choline and other nutrients in cauliflower may support cognitive function and mental clarity.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.